Hey, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to show you a really cool tool to help you generate some Pinterest ideas. It's called the Right Blogger. As you can see, they have 62 different tools, and we're going to go over to, they have the blogging tools, SEO tools, social. And in social, you see Pinterest pins. And I have a URL of a recent blog post about suspended Pinterest account. And so the keyword, of course, that I'd want in there is suspended Pinterest account. I want to make this, I guess I would say, more authoritative. Additional instructions, no additional ones. I'm going to hit generate. And you can see how fast the AI on the Right Blogger works here. Coming up with ideas and content for you on Pinterest. So what this will do, this will give you ideas for the titles and descriptions. I really like this one here. So all I would do is copy that and paste it right into my Pinterest. I'd make a new pin and I would be able to do that. I'm actually going to see if I can edit a pin and show you because I do have. Let's see where the pin is. I know I had the suspended account one here, not too far, I believe. Is this it right here? So you can see the content here that I had. All I would have to do is edit that and change it. What I really want to do is to do a new pin with some different graphic, maybe a video, and add that content in. Those seem to do really well if you do a carousel or a video type pin. I'd highly recommend those. So that's how you can use the Right Blogger to create all kind of pin ideas, the titles and the captions. I hope you've enjoyed this how to use the Right Blogger Pinterest pin generator. Have a great day.